In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gamma IE for Instagram. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea into a clean, swipe-worthy Instagram carousel using Gamma from the first prompt to the final upload. First, head over to Gamma and choose Generate with AI. This opens the workspace where you'll give the tool clear instructions about what you want. To steer Gamma toward Instagram-ready content, paste a focused prompt like, create a 7-slide Instagram carousel about your topic. Each slide should have a short headline and minimal text, engaging and easy to read. Pick a topic that fits your niche, such as social media tips, virtual assistant services, or basic financial tips. The clearer your topic, the better the output. Next, make sure the carousel follows a proven flow. Aim for 7 slides in this order: a strong hook, the problem, tip 1, tip 2, tip 3, a quick summary, and a call to action. Gamma may already structure it this way, but double check. Each slide should carry one main idea so viewers can absorb it in seconds. Now edit the text. Keep it short and punchy. Use big, scannable headlines and everyday language. For example, lines like "stop posting random content" and "use a clear strategy to grow faster" are direct and memorable. If a sentence feels long, cut it in half. Imagine someone reading on a small screen while scrolling fast. Less is more. Time to design for Instagram. Choose a clean theme in Gamma and dial up readability. Make the font large, use high contrast colors, and give your text room to breathe so nothing feels cramped. Design with mobile view in mind. Keep important words centered and away from the edges, and add visuals to support the message. You can use built-in images or generate AI images. Keep the look consistent across the carousel. Similar icon styles, colors, and image tone to make the sequence feel cohesive. When you're happy, export your slides. Click Share, then Export. Choose images, either PNG or JPG for Instagram. You can export a PDF too, but for a carousel, images work best. Remember, each slide becomes one Instagram post image. Open Instagram, create a new post, and upload multiple images to build your carousel. Arrange them in the correct order, with your hook slide first. Finally, write your caption and add relevant hashtags. Need ideas fast? You can use a prompt like, write an Instagram caption for a carousel about social media tips with CTA. Tweak the result so it matches your voice, and you're ready to post.